You uploaded 50 videos and still the YouTube algorithm ignores your content completely. Welcome to the hard truth. The algorithm won't help beginners without audience signals. That's when I realized ranking on YouTube isn't about luck, it's about strategy. If the algorithm fails you, it's time to master YouTube SEO the right way. I stopped chasing trending challenges and started targeting long-tail keywords with low competition instead. SEO means understanding what people search for and making content they're not finding anywhere. The first rule: look for low-hanging fruit. Keywords with demand but no proper videos. These are gaps the big YouTubers ignore and opportunities you can dominate as beginners. I use SEMrush and keywords everywhere to uncover golden keywords no big channels touched. Most free creators avoid paid tools, but YouTube isn't free if time matters. Even if SEMrush feels expensive, keywords everywhere is cheap and powerful, solid research. You don't need thousands of views, you need to answer a real query well. Search YouTube using auto-suggest, note down long queries with no detailed video explanations yet. Avoid overused one-word keywords. They are really saturated with massive creators and monetized networks. The trick is to find questions no major channel with 500k subs has answered. Now comes your edge. Write a killer script that gives you more value than others. Use ChatGPT 4.5 or better AI to script with depth, clarity, and originality. Your goal? Beat all existing videos by giving detailed info they completely skipped explaining. Many creators rush through. They miss context, case studies, data, and long-form guidance. Your script must fill those gaps and serve the searcher like a real solution. Once the script is ready, go for thumbnail that's clean, bold, and curiosity-driven. Thumbnails aren't about fancy design. They're about emotion, contrast, and clear messaging at a glance. The title must be keyword matching, emotionally grabbing, and fully optimized for exact search intent. Don't try to be smart or clever. Try to be searchable and precise instead. Now comes the most ignored SEO weapon, the description box of your YouTube video. Most creators write 2 lines and dump affiliate links. That strategy won't help you. YouTube reads your entire description to understand the context and relevance of your video. Write 2,500 to 3,000 characters with keyword integration, subheadings, value bullets, and even brief storytelling if possible. Treat your video description like a mini blog because Google treats it that way. Did you know YouTube videos often appears on Google's first page search results too? That's why you need proper SEO in the description, not just fluff or hashtags. Don't expect Google to rank a 2-liner about "watch this amazing tip I discovered." You need to answer the viewer's query, both in video and the description too. Now if you're short on money, do the free method using YouTube search bar. Start typing your topic, note every auto-suggest keyword, and check the video competition manually. Look for queries with high views and weak thumbnails, poor scripts, or low-quality explanations. Then enter the niche with better storytelling, tighter edits, and deeper breakdown of the solution. Remember, YouTube is not just about being creative, it's about being discoverable too. Most small creators try to copy big YouTubers and get stuck wondering why nothing works. Big channels don't care about SEO. They already have brand, subscribers, and huge watch time. You don't, so you must rely on every ounce of optimization that exists today. Don't believe the myth. Tags are everything. Tags barely matter to YouTube anymore. What matters? Your title, description, hook, audience retention, and satisfying the viewer's original search intent. Even your video file name and the pinned comment can help you rank slightly better organically. People don't realize that YouTube SEO isn't one big trick, it's 10 small tweaks. When you add them all up, the growth is slow but completely unstoppable over time. I stopped caring about likes and subs. I cared about ranking for every keyword. I wanted people who searched something to find my video on the first page. Eventually, my videos started getting views from search, even after weeks of being ignored. Those are called evergreen views. Slow, reliable, compounding daily with no ad spend required. Imagine waking up to views on a video you uploaded 2 months ago. It's powerful. SEO gives you that leverage. The algorithm rarely does that unless you are already trending. Most creators focus on the algorithm but never learn how YouTube search actually works underneath. Want to grow without followers? Learn SEO, master discoverability, and dominate unfilled video search spaces. Start your content planning based on keywords, not trends, not virality, not whatever's cool right now. Use Google Trends only to understand temporary spikes. It's not great for long-term SEO. Also check Google search results. Your YouTube video can appear there with right metadata. The secret? Google and YouTube both love structured, keyword-rich, and problem-solving content better than vague entertainment. As a new creator, remember, YouTube is a business, not a passion hobby platform. Stop expecting growth if you're not putting in research scripting effort and structured publishing strategies. You're not Mr. Beast, so don't follow his upload strategy if you have 0 subs today. Another trick? Go to Quora, Reddit, Stack Exchange, niche forums. Discover what real people ask repeatedly. Turn those forum questions into detailed search-optimized videos that no one else has answered yet. Numbers matter. Publishing 1 video per week won't give YouTube enough signals to understand your niche. YouTube wants topical authority. It ranks channels that make multiple videos on one subject deeply. You can't confuse YouTube by posting finance today and gaming tomorrow. It kills your identity. The algorithm reads your content themes. Don't break your niche unless you're already famous enough. Stay in your lane until you dominate that search vertical. Then you can explore sideways. Also, don't make every video 10 minutes long if you're not monetized. It's pointless overhead. Big creators post long videos to add mid-roll ads and make money, not for SEO. Your goal? Make 4 to 5 minutes video, double your upload count, and own more keywords quickly. You need quantity and quality, because views compound only when you rank on multiple searches. SEO isn't a beautiful bikini lady on a beach, but it's effective. It's how you gain real visibility as a beginner. The moment I stopped praying for suggested views and focused on SEO, everything changed forever. Soon we are launching our full YouTube SEO course, including one-on-one help and practical ranking systems. But even before that, apply these steps and commit no long-term visibility building, not algorithm chasing. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't overcomplicate your early strategy. Write, research, publish, repeat, and stay consistent over everything else. If you stay in the game long enough and rank enough videos, you will win eventually. New creators often panic seeing 0 views. That doesn't mean your content is worthless. YouTube SEO is slow burning, but it keeps working even while you're asleep or not uploading. You don't need a viral moment. You need videos that rank for years to come. Consistency beats creativity in early YouTube, especially when you don't yet understand storytelling or pacing. You'll gain skills later. But until then, SEO gives you visibility you can control. Forget viral shots for now. They rarely convert into subscribers or long-term channel loyalty. Use every video you publish as a data point to improve your next upload smartly. Focus on retention gaps. Focus on retention graphs, click-through rates, and what keywords triggered your video in YouTube search. Check analytics for external traffic. Are you showing up in Google, Quora, or blogs? Learn how to embed your video on forums, websites, and other platforms related to your niche. These off-site backlinks help rank your videos better inside YouTube itself. Strange but true. Use transcripts to turn your YouTube video into a full blog post on your website. This improves Google ranking and gives you additional exposure without extra filming or editing. Ask your viewers questions in comments. It boosts engagement and viewer signals to YouTube. Pin the most valuable comment or time-stamped outline. Help viewers navigate long videos quickly. Don't worry about subs early on. Don't worry about subs early on. Worry about getting into people's search results daily. 1,000 search viewers are more valuable than 10,000 who scroll past suggested videos. Suggested views fluctuate randomly, but SEO-based traffic is stable, growing, and algorithm-proof over time. That's why I always say SEO is how beginners break in without being discovered randomly. Use TubeBuddy and vidIQ only for inspiration. Don't rely on their competition scores blindly. Nothing beats manual research with your brain, your niche curiosity, and your YouTube experience. Follow creators smaller than you. They're closer to your journey than billion views mega influencers. Reverse engineer what works. Don't reinvent every time, but always add more depth than others. Even if one video flops, the next 5 will build your channel's keyword footprint forward. Each piece of content you make is a digital soldier. Each piece of content you make is a digital soldier working for you non-stop. And one day, YouTube will recommend you. Not because of luck, but because of work. That's how SEO wins in the long game. Start now and keep going.